Hello everyone, have you been wanting to earn Robux in place for a long time? Want to try your hand at being a developer? Today, I'll show you how to earn Robux using a tool. First, go to the website. The link will be in the description. It will help us copy any place. Right-click, select Inspect, Network, refresh the page, and copy via PowerShell. Go to the website, paste it, and wait. As you can see, we can edit it however we want. We set this place as our development, set passes, and earn Robux.